Unit 6. The Importance of Trees. In today's natural world, Professor Jeremy Beach is going to answer listeners' questions about trees. Welcome to the program.
Hello.
Can we have our first question, please?
Hello. I'd like to ask the professor about the tallest tree in the world. Where is it now, and how tall is it?
The tallest tree in the world is a giant sequoia, and it is in California. It's 83.8 meters tall. Scientists say it is between 2,300 and 2,700 years old.
That's incredible. Now, let's move to our second caller.
Hello. I know trees' leaves help it to take in light from the sun. But I'd like to ask what the bark of a tree does.
Well, the bark is like our skin. It protects the living part of the tree, and the tubes which carry water from a tree's roots to its leaves. If the bark is badly damaged, the tree dies. Animals, such as goats, love eating barks. So, it is especially important to keep animals away from young trees.
Thank you. What's the next question?
Hi, I'd like to ask, how it is possible to calculate the age of a tree by counting its rings without cutting the tree down?
Good question. Perhaps you could start by explaining what the rings are that this caller is referring to.
Well, most trees grow bigger every year. Just under the bark, there is a circle of soft cells which hardens every spring or summer. This forms a ring of new wood each year. This means we can calculate the age of the tree by counting the rings.
You can see the rings if you cut the tree down. But how do you do this without killing the tree?
We can drill into the tree to make a deep, narrow hole. We then extract a very thin piece of wood which does no damage to the tree.
And are the rings the same width every year?
No, they aren't. The width depends on the climate and the amount of rain. If there is a lot of rain during the year, the rings are quite wide. If it's a dry year, the rings are narrow. In this way, we can find out what the weather was like hundreds of years ago, when the tree was younger.
Really? Well, I'm afraid that's all we have time for in today's program. Thanks to everyone.